Sumabog siya at nahilo ako.
Oh! Ang nakita ko lang yung nasa itong upper part. I didn't see this bottom part.
Wala siyang laman eh. Ewan ko kung anong...
Oh!
Oh! Hello.
Oh! It's chasing me
Oh.
again! No! Hindi ako makarun. I can't run. No! No! Get away. I can't run. Wala akong food. No! Siren
Ikaw
head.
talaga favorite mo.
I
Ikaw
hear
talaga
siren.
favorito
I hear
niya.
siren. I hear siren. Stop chasing me. Oh yeah, kill me. So you yes. Do it. There you go. Oh, that's stars. I was like, oh
I'm
look,
about to
eyes.
die
No,
again.
it's stars. Oh.
Yung potion effect?
No, outside, because I can see the outside of the cave. I was like, there's 2
Oh.
dots. Whoa, stars. They're
What
not.
if mata pala yun?
No, they're not. Oh! What?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Good luck. Good luck, sir.
I'm
I
dead.
died.
Skeleton killed me.
Sing man.
Oh, siren head, look at the top of the trees.
Sarah.
Is this siren head?
Behind you.
You hear the sirens?
No.
I hear it.
Si tropa nasa labas.
Oh, hi. Yeah, oh, he's gone.
Heavy ado. Oh, no. Kita mo yun, Sarah?
Kita what? Oh, hi.
Yung
I see
mata sa
eyes,
sahig.
yeah. Oh, it's gone.
Okay. Oh,
And
speaking
sunod na
of,
lang kay, oh, hi. Do you wanna
I
be
dead.
friends?
Oh, hello.
Oh,
Sarah ran.
he's gone.
Oh, never mind. He disappeared.
Yeah.
Pagtalikod ko, nandun ulit siya.
Oh,
Like,
it's the
sino
moth.
yun?
I
May
got
moth na
scared.
naman.
I got scared with the moth. God dang it. Can I kill it?
Yeah.
And it just drops the thing again? Okay.
How?
Pwede bang batiin na lang kami ni Cave Dweller tas protect niya ako from these zombies?
Ewan ko. You're invading his property. And you are trespassing. So, mag-aano siya, magpa-file siya ng compliant. Tapos, he will
Compliant?
sue you. Compliant muna. Magka-complain muna siya.
Complaint yun, hindi compliant. Anong compliant? Oh! Hi! There's a face! Okay, bye. Cave Dweller.
Another
Oh, he's here. Oh!
easy hangry.
And he's gone. Invisible? Because I can hear the
Invisible.
thumps.
Yeah, invisible siya.
Oh, yeah, I'm dead. Sino to kasama ko dito?
You will
Showy,
now
is this
be
you?
named...
Yes, Showy.
Wala si
Hello.
Showy. Nasa taas si Showy.
Showy's
Hindi yan si
here.
Showy. Hindi yan si Showy.
He's
Hindi yan
eating
si
bread
Showy.
in front of me. He's eating bread in front of me. Yeah, it's him.
Hindi na to. Sayang.
Yeah, if hindi kumain ng bread sa harap ko si Shri, I might have believed you. Hello. Oh!
Ow, what?
Yeah, no.
Oh, I'm dead.
Oh, he's chasing us now.
No, that's not my problem anymore.
Should we? Yeah, bro. Look on.
Good luck.
Can we kill it?
I mean, yeah, you can. Pero, ano, hindi ko alam kung ilan yung HP niya.
Yeah, no, that's not... Bro jump scared me. And I was looking at the ceiling.
What do I need?
Who's whispering in my ear? Stop it.
Sana all.
What?
Huh?
You're saying?
No, nothing. I'm not saying anything.
Walang ano. Ayan pala. Normal. Stop whispering. I hate it.
It's a honey bottle, honey soda, I think.
Oh.
So, what?
I hear things.
Siren Head?
Yeah. What? Ang taas naman yan, pre. Look behind you, Sammy. Like, why?
Kulang ako ng wood. Actually, no. Sakto
Ah,
pa naman.
sorry.
Oh my god. And tinatamat na akong umakyat. So,
Dog? Is it?
echoey dog?
Yeah.
Yeah, Siren Head.
Okay.
Let's keep mining
What are
muna.
those? Are those footsteps or those spiders? Footprints, sorry.
Footsteps.
Bakit mukhang chicken foot?
Footprints, yes. Yun yung,
Though it literally looks like chicken
yun
foot.
yung paan. Yun yung paan ni, ni Watcher.
Huh? Oh, hello.
Hello.
You scared me.
Flashlight.
Thanks.
Someone was grunting. It was like, ah!
Okay. Alright. It's aggressive yung sa'yo eh, but sure. Oh!
Why are you here?
Lumingon ako nandun na siya sa'yo. Oh, hi! Oh, wait, no. Those are XP. I thought I saw eyes. Wait, I just saw... Why did it look like that? Ngayon ko lang nakita yung skin ng ano.
Ayan, see? Yeah.
What
Sabi
the...
sa'yo, honey bottle.
It looks weird. I hear static.
I hear doom music.
What?
How are you in here? Narinig ko yung Siren Head dito sa loob ng... No, I'm gonna kill myself.
You know what? Kung sino man ang nagpuputol sa atin ng puno, I wish you good luck. This tree is awful.